Hello friends, today I'm going to talk on a very interesting, important and a very informative video. Don't miss to see this video till the end. Now, banking and insurance are two pillars of the economy. In fact, I will say that insurance is one step ahead because it not only gives back your money what you save like bank, but also it gives you the damages portion of the amount for non-life, and for life it gives a big coverage amount to the family. If insurance is not there, not only the economy will collapse, but also the families will collapse. So now today, I'm going to tell you how insurance is so important as an investment in every walk of your life, right from your birth. You'll not believe it, but see this video to believe it. Now, when you're born, my dear friends, your father takes an insurance for aiding to your education, which is called education policy. Now, when you get educated and come to a job, okay, now you start taking a term insurance coverage for a huge amount, say 2 crores or 5 crores at the beginning of your career because it will be very cheaper for you. Now, as you progress in life, you get married, right? Then your responsibilities increase, your dreams increase. Then you start eyeing for a house, a car, and other luxuries like traveling abroad and all. So you start taking a money back policy so that it gives you a return in every 3 years or 5 years frequency so that you can enjoy that money. Now, when you have taken this policy, the dreams of acquiring a house and a car will start ringing in your head. So you start acquiring a house. When you start acquiring a house, you will also take a term insurance policy to cover that loan. When you start taking a car, you will also try to take an insurance policy to cover that loan as well. Now, as you progress further, your family grows. You have children. Now, once again, you start taking policy on your children for their education to be fulfilled. Now, this is what is children education policy again. Now, as your children grows and as you grow, your commitments increases. Okay, your responsibilities increases. So what you do is you start taking high risk coverage plans, which is either single premium plan, which is going to cover you for 5 times or 10 times, right? Or a regular premium plan which covers you even more than what is required. Now, after this, what happens is, now you start growing up in your career also. So you start getting bonus, you start getting a profit sharing of your company. Now you will start investing these amounts in deferred annuities pension plan. Okay? Deferred annuities pension plan. Then you also will start saying that, okay, my children are almost nearing the end of their education. Now I will have to take care of my retirement planning as well. So what you do is, you start taking deferred annuities on a regular premium instead of a single premium also. Okay, so regular premium deferred annuities, single premium deferred annuities pension plan with a coverage as well. Okay, when you have done this completely, then slowly you will start inching towards the completion of your responsibilities of your children, of your work life, and then start getting retired. When you start getting retired or when you are retired, your children would have grown. They would have got married. Okay, and they would have got children. Now, once again, you will start gifting your grandchildren for money back policies for their education. Now, how is this cycle going on, my dear friends? In every walk of life, your insurance investments become handy. Not only for the savings part of it, but also for your coverage, also for a decent return. Now, more often than not, you also invest in unit-linked insurance plans, which will appreciate your capital in the long run. So, you have this insurance as a jewel for you in every walk of life, and that will really make a world of difference, my dear friends. Because insurance is there, person is there. Insurance is there even when the person is not there. So this concept has gone a long way, and people who are able to have their eyes and ears open towards insurance will never be a failure in life, will never fall short of cash, will never be short of prosperity, because insurance gives you everything in life. What are those everything? Safety, guarantee, continuity, then investment return, and then coverage. What more do you want as an investment, my dear friends? So insurance is one of the best investments you should never miss in every walk of life. And that is why I advocate, I request people to make use of insurance plans, to make use of insurance in every walk of life, so that you not only increase your coverage, but also see that you get interim returns that can be handy for you. You can also get a pension lifelong, which is guaranteed for you. You can also try to have a huge amount of family security, which every family will expect, because you love your family and there is nobody who can take care of your family better than you. Okay, my dear friends. So with these few words, I would like to end my video and recommend you that if you want to know how to plan your insurance plans through every phase of your life, through every walk of your life, through every part of your life, contact me at my mobile number, which is given in the description box, and I will help you to scale to greater heights, to go to a different orbit, and to be happy always in life, because peace of mind is very important even if you have money. Okay, my dear friends. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, then hit the bell button so that you get more and more interesting videos like this, and pass it on to your friends and relatives so that they also benefit out of this. Okay, hoping to hear from you soon, and we will see that you are happy, we are happy, everybody is happy. All the best. Bye.